Hi there, my name is Callie Seaman and I am the bar director at Element 112 in Sylvania. Going to be working on an original cocktail today that I'm calling the Lady Mary. What I have decided to use for my spirit is a vodka. So what I've done with it to make it a little more exciting is infused it with some grapefruit. So I'm going to take 2 ounces of this. So we're going to do an 8 count, put it into our shaker. Next we're going to take fresh lemon juice. I'm going to do 3/4 of an ounce. We're going to do a 3 count. And to make it a little sweeter for the ladies, I'm going to do a full ounce of our simple syrup. 2, 3, and 4. So it's a 2 count grenadine. 1 and 2. It's a little thicker, so I gave it a moment extra. Finally, we have our egg white. Now, some people get a little bit nervous about an egg white, but an egg white is a very traditional part of a recipe for a drink. I'm going to add a little bit of a chamomile tincture. Put it into a dropper. I do 2 droppers of this. This is going to add a nice garden flavor to your drink. Okay, so we have everything we need in here, and we're going to give it a dry shake. And what a dry shake is just shaking it without ice. What's going to happen is you're going to properly emulsify your egg white and your fruit juices. It's going to make it nice and foamy. Now we can add our ice. And just like in with stirring, you want to do it for about 30 to 45 seconds. Okay. You take your chilled glass and discard your ice. We'll go ahead and pour it into the coupe glass. As you can see, you have that nice meringue foam on the top of the drink. There. Okay, to finish off this drink, I like to add a few more touches. I have a rose tincture. A few little sprays of that just adds a nice little garden treat. And finally, we're going to garnish it, and I'm going to make a little lemon rosebud. So take a little lemon peel with your Y peeler. If you'd like to express the lemon twist, you can do so. Add a nice little fruity bit to it. And you just roll that up so it looks like a little flower. Take a little pick on the end there and just pierce it through the middle. And then we can put that through the grapefruit there. We're gonna put that just off to the side there. Finally, I'm going to put just a couple little drops of the grenadine for color and flavor. Okay, there's our Lady Mary. Cheers.